Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find recruiters on LinkedIn. So go for your LinkedIn account and search on the search bar talent specialist, acquisition specialist. Okay. Oh, wait for a second. This is the uh, link here. Then you have to choose people and go for your location. If I choose India, then go for show result. Now you have to choose your company. Okay, I'll choose Tata Consultancy Service. Now you can see this is the all recruiters of Tata Consultancy Service. So this is how you can find recruiters on LinkedIn, and now you can connect or send messages from here. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.